Good evening, everyone. We want to learn how to use a Pixel Lab. Okay, so this is the home interface of my Pixel Lab. Mine might be different from your own. This is another version of it, but your own is the same. Just that the interface of this one is black, and that one is blue, light blue. Okay, so we want to learn parts of the Pixel Lab before we can go ahead to learn how to use it to create our logo. Okay, so we can see some plus button, at the top corner here. Okay, it's telling us when you click on it, you'll find text, current date, sticker, shapes from gallery, draw. Okay, so any of these things that you want to add in your process of designing, you can tap there and then you use it. Okay, so the other part that is following is this one. Okay, is used for save as project or save as image. Okay, I'll talk about this one later. Okay, and then the next one following is share. After designing, if you want to share to anybody, or you want to share to any place, whether WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, and any other, that's where you can do it. There is also another one following, that is quotation mark or something like that. Yes, something like a quote. It's used to add text, something like quotations or motivational speeches to our design. So maybe you are designing something that you want to add, or you are short of words, you can kindly visit there and then you will find some words. Okay, so our next feature is these three buttons that is here at our right hand corner. That one is used, the features in it are use image from gallery, full screen, use image from camera, export image, image size, report, and so many other that follows. So when you tap on any of it, it will show you or how it is. So let's say we are going to use image from gallery. It will send us to gallery to pick a picture, and then when you come, the picture will now be on this square box we are seeing. That picture will now be there. Okay, at the bottom part 2, we have some 3 circles that intertwine each other. Okay, that one, these are the features. You can decide to press on any to turn the shape, our home interface of the design to it. So that is how it is. You can decide to choose any of the wallpapers you want for it. Okay, and then also we have my projects. So all that you are doing, when you save it as a project, it will be here. Okay, and then also we have another feature following it, that is the A here. Okay, that one is used for text and then quotations, just like the one above. So when you want to add text to your design, something like, just write jet graphics. Okay, so the text will appear. So when you want to put text, that is where. And then after you have typed something, there are many features of it that will come. The first one is that is something like a pencil. It's used to edit when you want to do edit the text that you have written. And also the next one is delete is also here, the text that you've written, if you want to delete it or anything. We also have copy, that is following it, to front, that is if there is something that is covering your image, you can bring it to front. you can let's say there's an image that is covering the text, or there are images that are lying on each other. You can decide to send one back and then the other one to front. Position, I hope you can see it. It's just here. Position, that one is already named. So position is used to change the location of the text that you have written. You can see that as I'm touching it, the location or the text is moving up and down. Okay, so that is how it is used for. And then we have relative position. Relative position is when you want the text to be centered, you just press on these two, this one and then this one, and then your text will be centered. So let's try it and see. Then we see that our text is at the center. So when you want it to come to the bottom, you press this one. That is what I've touched to bring the text to the just the center and the beneath of the wallpaper or the project you are designing. And then the same thing you do to the others. Any corner you want it to be, you type it, it will send it there. Alright, so also we want to look at this one is size. When you want to increase the size of the text, moving it up and down, you decrease it by pressing the positive, and you increase it by the positive and decrease it by the negative. So any size you want it to be, if you are clicking on it to increase it. Okay, we also have color of the text. Any color you want the text to be, click on it to change it to that color. Okay, there are various colors. We have texture. You can put image, pick image from background and make the text that way. Okay, I want to go to, I think this one's the curves. When you want the text to bend, you can, I don't want the video to be long, so I'll just go through it quickly. Also we have shadow. When you want there to be shadow in the picture, you can see that the picture has changed. There's some shadows that has appeared, so you can choose color. We have 3D rotate, 3D text, 3D shadow, and reflection. The picture will reflect underground. Alright, so you can go through them and practice it one after the other. Okay, we are moving to we are going to move to the middle part, that is the one here. Okay, when you press it, you see that there are other buttons that has also come. Okay, so we have import sticker. We have sticker first, import draw shapes. That one there, when it's simple to go by, and then when you want to add shape, you want to draw something, then the brazier is used to make cuttings. When you want to cut something or some part of then you braze it, and then when you pressed, you can use this, you can increase the stroke width, and it's used for cutting any shape that you want, or you want to make a color of some shape to appear, you use it to draw it, and then you color it and it will appear. Okay, so just try it during your own leisure time, and then other things. Okay, also we have a third button that is here, and that is here. Okay, so that one is used for color the background image. If you want to give it a color, that is where you can choose it from. So the wallpaper of your design, that is where you can choose it from. Alright, also we have the next one, transparent. If you want it to be transparent, you can make it so. Image size, you can determine the size of the image you are doing. Let's say 100 here. Okay, so you see how it has changed to let's say 1000. Okay, 1000. So you see how it has changed. Okay, and then also crop, because there's nothing inside to crop, that is why the crop is in blank. and when you put image there, you can crop it through it. So we have image. You can choose image from your gallery to make it, and then image from gallery. Then we have an image too. When you press it, they give you so many pictures you can put at the background if you want, or you can select it and use it. All right. Also, we have camera. That is if you want to take a direct picture to use for it. Okay. We also have another third tool that is here. Okay, that one is used for coloring. When you want to change the color of the whole design, you want to brighten it, make it noisy. When you say noisy, it's like a color style. You put some way, be like there are substances on the design, you can see the effect on it. All right, so you can go through saturations and then other things. Okay, there were some keys, some tools at the top that I didn't mention. Okay, that one, the pencil here, the pencil is used for writing. When you press on it, there are so many things that would centering, or you want to write something, copy, you rotate, color, bring to front and bring to back. Those features also came in the other one. And then the next one following it, like a dustbin. I believe that one, we like a bin here. That's the delete. When you want to delete the text that you have done, press and delete, the text is gone. Okay, also this is reverse or undo button. If you want to, you delete something, you want to bring it back, undo. This is it. That's the undo. Okay, the following one is maximize. When you want to maximize your design, you want to maximize it, this is where you can do it. You just click on the maximize, then you keep increasing it. The screen will be increasing. Okay, the following one, it gives a scale. Okay, this one, it gives a scale onto the diagram. So when you press on it, there are some lines that has come onto the diagram so that you can be able to align your text. So let me go and change this one. Let me come here, so that will make it straight. Okay, so it's straight now. So if I want it to be on the line, when you do this, when you press on that button, it gives a line so that you will be able to center your text at where you want it to be. All right, so you can, when you are done with the thing, you can press it again to exit. Okay, so we also have another useful feature that is here. Okay, so that one is used for binding of text or merge. If you want to merge a text or images you have done during our designs, we'll be using it much. So when you want to merge something, you just click on this one that I've highlighted, and then you will, when you click on it, to bring something like this, then you choose the pictures you want to merge. So after that, after marking the text or the pictures you want to merge, after that you come back again and click on merge. The merge is here. Merge is here. When you click on it, the pictures will be merged. You click on this one, then click on OK. The pictures will be merged. So we have now seen that our pictures are merged now, or the text is merged into one. All right. So that's basically the features that are there. We have other features too, but during our process of designing, we can come across them. One of the other important features is mask. Mask is here. This one. See, it's also there. So it's also one of the features that is very important when you want to cut some part of a design. I think we'll be using it in the design of T3V3 logo, TV3 logo. So you see it clear there. So you see that the part of cut has exited. You can see that part again. So you can use it to cut your shapes and other things. Okay, all the other tools will be practiced in our during our design and other things. All right, so those I've just said are the most important ones you should know, and then that will help in your design. All right, thank you very much. God bless you.